Hey friends, ready to trade in a simulated trading environment and earn some real rewards? If you need clarification about the minimum trading days, you're in for a revelation. Let's get straight into the details and clear up the confusion. We offer various account types, each with its unique set of rules. But today, we're focusing on a crucial aspect, the minimum trading days. It's all about assessing your consistency in the market. Let's break it down, shall we? First of all, let's understand what is a trading day. A trading day refers to a day when at least one trade is executed, opening or closing a position, to participate in the market. For our two-step accounts, which come with 2 evaluation rounds, the minimum trading days requirement is 2 for each phase for the Pro account and 3 for each phase for the Prime account. It's the perfect way to test your skills and stay consistent. And there you have it, friends. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and make sure to subscribe. See you in the next video.